Hey, what's up? It's the new year. Do not judge me because my tree is still up. Yes, it is. So I'm going to be going ahead and provide you guys with a hair review on the JAJA Kinky Curly Hair. This is the box that it comes in, and I'm just going to show you how it comes packaged. You know, we have the hair. It's a 22-inch. I'm going to be showing that as well. The hair comes with a cue card when you receive it. It also, well, it basically comes in every box when you order this hair. It's like the third time I ordered the hair. And then we have the, you know, the nude wig cap that you can use for installing your hair. So we're going to get right into it. I just want to show you guys how the hair looks when I unpack it, but I also want to show you what I use to bleach the knots. So we're using 40 Developer Cream, we're using the Bleach powder, and we're also going to need the Got To Be glue spray. Now here's the wig, which is a 4x4. So as you can see, the closure is, you know, across and upwards. The back is 4 inches. It comes with 2 side combs, and then it has an additional comb in the back of your head. You see the adjustable straps. Ew, why did I say straps like that? So this is the lace. The lace is a little on the white side, so of course I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace as well as bleaching the knots because it does need to be bleached. Nothing wrong with that. I know the lace does take bleach very well, so I'm going to show you guys how I go ahead and bleach the knots. And just look at all that body. And I'm not talking about my body, but the hair, like, it has so much volume. And this is 150% density, so this is very thick for it to only be 150. That's really awesome. I love me some big hair, so if you like big hair, then this is definitely the hair for you. I'm telling you, it's definitely the one. Now next, let's go ahead and spray the lace with the Got To Be glue free spray. This is gonna add base to the lace. This way it doesn't seep through as easy as it would versus not spraying that onto the hair. It's gonna make it a little tacky, so of course it's gonna, you know, prevent it from seeping through too easily. Now let's go ahead and mix in our powder and our 40 Developer. So since we're working with a 4x4 lace, we don't need much powder. So I end up using probably like half of the pack. You probably don't even need that, honestly. Maybe about 1/3. But I'm going to show you guys how I mix it in. So you want to put the powder in first, and then you want to add the 40 Developer. And you want to just keep mixing until you get a creamy consistency. I always say I want it to look like toothpaste in a way. If nothing's dripping, then you know that it's good to go. Once our bleach is ready, we're just going to go ahead and pat it lightly. You don't want to do it too hard because you don't want it to, you know, seep through. Even though we have our free spray on the lace, you still want to be gentle and, you know, cautious on how you apply the bleach. So as you can see, I'm patting it lightly, and I'm just going to do that on the whole lace. Since we are working with 40 Developer, I would say start off at 15 minutes and then work your way through the 15 minutes. Just keep checking. You want to check to see if the knots are turning a light golden color. You know it's too long if it turns orange. After washing out the bleach, you want to add the tint spray if needed. I personally like to add tint spray, so that's what I'm doing now. You can purchase tint spray from your local beauty hair supply store. And if you don't have that, definitely can use makeup, okay? You can use makeup. You don't have to use tint spray. It's just available. I had it, so I decided to use it. I also use powder as well. So this is how the hair looks. And I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots now. All right, so I'm going to fast forward this a little bit, only because I'm plucking and it does take time. Now, I do pluck the front of the hairline just a little bit to get rid of that sharp, you know, line in the front. But then I eventually part, you know, a 1/2 inch away from the hairline and just pluck inside there. I don't have any specific method, but I'm literally just plucking until it looks natural. Now, this is the final result after plucking. I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. So now we got the wig on our head, and I am just showing you guys how it looks when I first apply it. I am still going to go ahead and apply some makeup after I'm done installing this hair because it still looks a little light. But, you know, it's all about trial and error. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace with my razor because that's going to give it a little rigid hairline instead of a straight cut like a normal scissor would. We don't want that, so we're gonna go ahead and cut that. After I'm done cutting the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the fronts of the hair just to start my baby hairs. As you can see, I'm just making a part. I didn't have my scissors. I don't even know why I didn't grab it. I was using my nails. Ghetto mess. But you know, so we're gonna go ahead and make that part. Add some freeze spray to lay it down, and you know, pat it with an end of the comb or razor that you're using just to flatten it down and let it dry. Now let me get up close and personal so you can see what's going on in my space, okay? So now I'm just gonna cut each little piece for my baby hair. I like to do one section at a time, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Is I'm going to cut a piece off and then I'm gonna swoop it. After doing that, this is how the hair looks at its natural state. I didn't add any water or any products, so I'm gonna add some products, and you can see me adding water to the hair because I want to see how it looks once it's fully wet, and then I'll add some mousse and hair conditioner as well. I'll show you guys how that looks. And voila, this is the end result. I am loving this hair, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested, the details are below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And once again, this is Bianca Naka, and I am tuning out.